Hello, Christy with Easy Wood Tools, and I'm going to tell you about an exciting new product in our turning accessory category that is perfect for the many turners out there that do not like taking their chucks off of their lathes. We have the pleasure of speaking to many fellow turners, and one of the common things that we hear is turners do not like taking their chucks off of their lathes. You like to quickly swap between projects and processes and get back to doing exactly what you love to do, which is turning. Well, this product fits that perfectly. This is our 3/8 inch chuck mounted turning mandrel that fits most 4-jawed chucks. It's used for turning small projects like bottle stoppers, bottle openers, and a variety of kits that are available, such as ice cream scoops and pizza cutters. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this product, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. It has a 3/8/16 thread to fit most standard project kits and many popular threaded inserts. It is fluted at the top for self-tapping or again to use with a threaded insert. It is nickel-plated hardened steel for superior strength and corrosion resistance. It does join our existing lineup of other chuck-mounted turning accessories such as our 4-prong drive center, our multi-spur drive center, and our 3-inch, 4.5-inch, and 6-inch chuck-mounted faceplate rings. So now let me show you how to use this. First thing I'm going to do is tell you that you can either use this product with your jaws off your chuck or your jaws on your chuck. I'm going to use it today and put the jaws on the chuck. When mounting this, what you want to do is you want to make sure that this flat side is resting against the face of the bottom of your jaw. So you're going to insert it and the ring rests on the top. I'm just going to lightly tighten this down. Then I'm going to bring my tailstock in and line up my live center. I'm going to advance it. What this is doing is ensuring that the mandrel is centered and true on your chuck. Then just give a little pressure, not too much. You just want to make sure you're just bringing a little tight just to make sure it's snug. And I'm going to tighten down my chuck, my jaws here, like so. Then I can back off my tailstock. Take my blank that I had already prepped, and you'll see I'm using a threaded insert here. I'm going to just thread that onto my mandrel. Bring my tailstock back in to support this. Tighten everything down. And as you can see, my blank is mounted and ready for me to create, make whatever I'd like. When you pick one of these up, it'll come in this packaging right here. You'll notice that this card, on the inside of it are all of the turning instructions, how to set that up for you. The only thing that you'll need to do from here, grab your favorite blanks, a few easy components, and your imagination, and you'll be off to making something fun and cool for your family, your friends, or just for yourself. Yes, it's that easy.